everybody, Danny here. Well, it's good to be back. We got all our stuff taken care of yesterday. Let's head on over to easel, finish off our project, put a little fence in, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go. Hey, it's good to be back with you again. Yesterday was just a wild day. As you can see, our tree is sitting here. It's looking good. We've actually removed some of the color back here to give an impression that there are leaves further back. Okay, that made the tree fuller again, and yet you can still see through it. Okay, now the only thing really left would be like maybe some fence posts, and that's what we're going to put in here. Just a few fence posts. That's going to help set the tree back to the background where we really need it to be. And we put the fence posts in, then we just pull a little bit of shadow off like that. See, not all that hard. We painted this by painting the negative space, which is the only thing that we really needed to paint to get the tree form, okay? Let's put just some indicators here on the fence that there is some wire or whatever it may be. This is an old fence, kind of like me, old and pretty much dilapidated. I hope you've enjoyed this session. Tomorrow we're going to start a new one, and I think you're going to like it. I hope so anyway. So join me then. And remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Another project done. Tomorrow we're going to start something new, and I think you're going to like it. And remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.